Hey everyone, my name is Jacob, and today we're going to be installing these Tyger Armor step bars onto my 2016 Toyota Tacoma. So the reason why I chose to go with these ones was I actually wanted rock sliders for my truck, but those are ridiculously expensive, and the wife said she wanted a step to get out of the truck and to get into it as well. So these have that step, and they have a little bit higher profile than the current OEM ones I have on my truck. So that's one of the reasons why I went with these. They're also a whole lot cheaper than rock sliders. On Amazon, they retail for $500. I picked these up off used for about 150 bucks, so I decided to go with these ones instead. All right, let's get into the install. The tools you're gonna want to do this are a drill, a 13 millimeter to take on and off the bolts, and then you're gonna want some sort of floor jack or something just to hold up the current steps. That way when you take them off, they don't fall. And then it's also gonna make it easier to install the new ones because you're gonna be able to hold them up while you put them together. If I was doing it by myself, I would have got clocked in the head by that thing. There's so much there. Low key, I'm kind of messing with not having anything there. I really like the look of it.
Ah, whoa. You good?
Yeah, I just got clocked in that eyeball by a bolt. I can't even get the bolt out. Now we're just tightening it up, making sure they're on really tight because we don't want them to come off. It's kind of a pain to get everything lined up to get it level, but I suggest having the jacks like we do, just so it holds it on. And then from there, working the way across, so going from the front then to the back and then coming back to the middle. And just then after you get it all set and how you want it, just tighten everything up. This will be the test right here. Yeah. All right, we got it put all together. It's back on the truck. Overall, they look pretty good. They're nice and sturdy. I'm really happy with the way they look on my truck. Only thing I don't like is how it looks right here on the top with the stars saying the Tyger Armor. I'm not a fan of that. So at the end of the video, I'll show you how I'm going to get rid of that and make it more appealing as well as more functional. Other than that though, they went on pretty easily and I'm a big fan. All right, now that we're done with the passenger side, we're gonna head over and do the same thing on the driver's side. So we're just gonna take these off real quick and then put the new ones on. Like I said, I don't really like the look of this. I don't like the stars and it saying Tyger on there. So to take care of that, I went to your local Harbor Freight store. You can pick up something just like this. It's just a pad with tread on it that has some sticky tape on the back. So all you need to do is it's actually a perfect fit width-wise. So all we're gonna have to do is cut it down to the correct length. We're gonna clean it up and prep the surface with some soapy water and some alcohol. And then after that, it's just simply sticking it on and we're set. We shouldn't have any issues with it slipping when you stand on it, and it's just gonna cover up that ugliness. This is just to apply all the soap onto it. Right. So put some soapy water on here. Now I'm just wiping it all off, cleaning it up. And we'll let it completely dry. And after it's dry, we'll clean it with some alcohol, and then we should be good to stick them on. You take some isopropyl alcohol, and I'm just gonna get it on this paper towel, and you're just gonna wanna wipe it down and really clean this area and wait for it to dry. And once it's dry, we are good to stick the rubber step on. All right, so to measure it out, I'm just setting it right here on the front edge. And then I'm coming over here, putting it at a slight angle. And then I'm measuring where I want to cut it. So I'll make a mark. And then you just need a straight edge so that way you can actually make the cut. So I just hold this up to here. Find that straight edge. Press through. Now I have the one cut to length. You can just line the other ones up and cut them to length. I'm just gonna peel the front of it off, kind of like I'm just putting on graphics. Stick where you want it, get it lined up, get it straight. Apply it, and then from there, grab, stick, and just lay it down flat. Make sure it's on there good. And there we go. Everyone, that's how you install these steps and make them look a little bit better. Overall, super happy with the install process. It's really easy and I like the look of it on my truck. So please like and subscribe if you want to see more content with Tacomas, and because I have a lot of stuff planned that I want to do with my truck, so hit that subscribe button.